Hello friends, welcome to Vidya's cooking channel. Today I'll be preparing ragda. Ragda can be served with naans, aloo tikkis or inside a pani puri shell also. It's very simple to prepare. All the ingredients used in this recipe will be listed in the description box below this video along with my blog link and all the links to my social media and Tamil channel. This is a very simple recipe. It's a street style ragda. It can be served with naans also. So here I have pre-soak the white peas ahead of time. This is soaked for almost 8 hours overnight and I've washed it twice and reserved it. So now I'll add the white peas to a pressure cooker. We'll be adding 2 cups of water and we'll cook the white peas. I've used 250 grams of white peas in this recipe. All street food vendors use this particular white peas in this recipe. If you cannot find them, please use your regular dried peas for this recipe. Here I've added asafoetida and turmeric powder. Don't add salt. Add 2.5 cups of water. Just till the peas are covered. Now we'll place a lid and place the cooker on medium flame. We'll place a whistle and once the pressure builds, we have allowed the peas to cook for 3 to 4 whistles and the peas are done at this point. So you can see it's nice and mushy. It's cooked well and there is not much of water residue. So at this point I've reserved the cooked peas. It's well done. You can prepare it ahead of time and store it in the fridge and prepare your ragda whenever required. I've laid out all the masalas. I'll be using cumin powder, amchur powder, asafoetida, coriander powder and chili powder. We'll also be using chaat masala, finely chopped mint and coriander, mint chutney, red chili and garlic chutney and tamarind chutney. I've ground and reserved ginger, garlic and chilies. So now let's start preparing the ragda. Here I've heated a wok on medium flame. I've added 3 tablespoons of oil. Now I'll be adding the ginger, garlic and chili paste first. We'll fry this till the raw flavor reduces because this is not cooked. So all the raw flavor from the ginger has to reduce. Now I've added all the spices. I've added the chaat masala, amchur, coriander powder, chili powder and cumin powder. We allowed all the spice powders to bloom a bit and we have added the cooked peas. We'll fry the cooked peas. Now we'll add all the chutneys. We have added the garlic and chili chutney. We have added the mint chutney and the tamarind chutney. Tamarind already contains a tiny amount of sweet in it. I've added salt as per taste. We'll add water. We have added 2.5 cups of water again. Stirred all the ingredients. Allow the ragda to boil. So as the peas boil and reduces, it has absorbed most of that moisture. At this point I've added garam masala, chaat masala and finely chopped coriander. I kept stirring it and prepared ragda. So prepare your ragda however liquidy or dry you want. I like it semi-liquid, so I've added little bit of water and I'll be cooking it further. So as you're cooking it, you have to also mash your peas a bit. So just keep stirring it and mash your peas. As it boils, it is done. I've gone ahead and served my ragda. I'll be serving this for my aloo tikkis. So I'll prepare an aloo tikki and I'll show you how I did it. Here I've laid out finely chopped onion, chili, tomato. We'll be using garlic chutney, mint chutney, some chaat masala and sweet chutney. So my aloo tikkis are also done. I'll just smash the aloo tikki a bit. We'll top it with the ragda and we'll top it with all the condiments here. This is a very tasty street style snack. So here you can see I have mashed the aloo tikki. I'll top it with the ragda. Now I've topped the ragda with mint chutney, tamarind chutney, the garlic and chili chutney. Now I'll top it with the finely chopped onion, tomato and coriander. So here you can see my ragda with aloo tikki is ready. You can also serve this ragda with naans. It tastes excellent. I've topped it with some coriander and chaat masala and some sev. It is exactly like street food style. So do give this recipe a try and post your comments, friends. You can serve your ragda with naans inside a pani puri shell, or you can eat it with bread. So your ragda tastes excellent the next day. So all the ingredients to this recipe, the links to my blog, social media, and the links to the YouTube Tamil channel will be in the description box below this video. Try this recipe and post your comments. If you enjoyed watching this video recipe, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to me for more recipes. Until next time, this is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.